Hello and welcome to my car and train channel. For those who are following the construction of my train track, this Sunday I've put some pavers in the middle between the main line, which is in the back, and the front line, the spur line, which is going to go to the underground station. As you see, the bridge is still missing, but right now I wanted to put those pavers so that it's less muddy after it has rained. Stay tuned for all the information and progress of the Whiskey Creek Railways. Thank you very much for watching.